Okay, from the last video we gave an exercise. We concluded the introduction of equation and gave an exercise which we are going to solve together in this video. And after the exercise, we are going to jump into the topics under equation, which is quadratic equation. I didn't introduce it, I just introduced a little bit part of equation. We are going to jump into quadratic equation, simple equation, rest of them. The question we gave in the video in the introduction is simple equation. The question about but when we get into quadratic equation, you will see the x or y is raised to power 2, or the unknown variable is raised to power 2, and we are going to give a video about variables so that you will know when to solve a question, so that you know when to tackle a question including variables. Okay, the total indicating using x or no if the question below are in equation format. And remember, any question that is coming from equation format must have this equals to sign. I strongly believe that you know that now, that it must have an equals to sign. And let's move on. Okay, the question right here says, the number one question right here says 4x plus 5 equals to 0. This has an equals to sign, which makes this question correct. This is yes. The question is in equation format. Okay. The number two question says 4x plus 9 is greater than 4. Wow, is greater than 4. And an equation format doesn't have anything greater than. It have equals to sign, and which nullifies this question and make it no. And the third question says y is equals to 2x squared plus 4x plus 9. This is the part of quadratic equation I'm telling you about, when the x is raised to power 2. And let's leave that. We're going to tackle it next frequent videos on equation. And the main thing we're looking at here is this equals to sign, which is what makes this question correct, makes it to be in the equation format. Okay, 2x is less than or equals to 4 plus 9. Wow, no matter there is an equals to sign here, I'm going to clarify you here. If the question is in this format, less than or equals to, or greater than or equals to, the question does not mean that it is an equation because of this equals to. We are talking about, when we are talking about equation, we are talking about equals to only. This is what we are talking about only. We are not talking about this. No matter the equals to sign is there, this is the holy symbol we are talking about, and this will be done in inequality when we it. And remember to subscribe so that you'll be receiving the frequent videos on mathematics, which I am the one heading, and my team are heading other subjects and courses, like the ones you are sure of, you don't really know or think about. We are heading it here to make you easy. And also, okay, we are clarify about which one is equation. So from this question, this is no, this is not in equation format, because less than or equals to is an equality sign, it's not an equation symbol. Okay, we are going to draw the curtain here on introduction to equation. Click on subscription button to receive the frequent video and jump into the next video on simple equations so that we can start it from there. And I pray that we will finish and reach to the promised land. Okay, remember to subscribe and like the video, and I love you.